All right, and welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the Shark 2-in-1 vacuum cleaning. Both the vacuum itself and the vacuum compartment here that holds the extra dirt and debris. We're going to start with the actual Shark vacuum. Pretty easy to do. All you typically have to do is take this, shake it out, get mine out. I usually turn it upside down because there's a lot of stuff that gets sitting up there. And then take this container out right here, this filter. There's usually quite a bit of stuff. Give it some taps, makes it a little bit of a mess in the house. Then there's another filter right in there that we got to clean out a little bit. So I usually just kind of give a little bit of a bang. Usually cleans it out pretty good. Don't bang on it too hard. These things aren't made very good and they break pretty easy. So that should be good enough for that. We'll put the filter back in. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed here. All right, now the next thing is we're going to take this, turn it upside down, and just shake it out. And then you can take this part off right here. And this blue part pops off. And then hair gets stuck in here. So I usually take that apart, clean all that hair off the best that I can. Usually just fingers. Don't usually cut it out, because next time you go to do this, it's going to be right back to being full. And then you've got more around the yellow part here. Then once this is all empty, I usually just take it, shake it again, get all the loose stuff out, and I'll put it back together. Put the clip back in. And then the only other thing on here that really has to be cleaned is you can pull this off. I just usually check, make sure that nothing's really caught up in there. I take a look at my wheels, make sure my wheels spin, and yep, should be good to go. I'll give all the sensors here a little wipe. Put the container back in. Wait, sorry, doing this upside down. And that should be good. All right. Now the fun part. So this guy right here absolutely gets a mess. There's this little hidden gem right down here. This is usually packed full of stuff. And this is only about a month worth. So give it a really good shake. Get it all off. Set this back here real quick. We're going to set that aside. That's got to get washed. So we're going to wash that here shortly. All right. And then you bring your hands all the way down in here, and there's another filter. Yep. And once again, super dusty. It needs to get washed off. And then we're going to end up taking this, and I'm going to dump it upside down once I get both my hands free. Then you've also got this container right here. There's a button right here on the side. Pull it off. You hit that yellow button right there, or orange, and it all comes dumping out. You can see there's a little strainer screen up there. You want to make sure that that's cleaned off. Give it a little shake, and you're good. Then the last thing on here is right here. Open that up. This is your last HEPA filter. And once again, gets nice and dirty. Give it some shakes. And that should be good to go. So, while I've got it all tore apart, in a second here, I want to bring my machine over and just dump it, getting all that stuff out. All right, like that. Put it on on this side, dump it on this side, and just make sure that all that loose debris is clear. Then we can put this filter back in. The filter size, you've got like a clean side and a dirty side. Dirty side goes in, and you've got this little tab. Make sure that that's sticking out so you can get it out next time. Okay, we'll take these two things over to the wash. Just give it some good rinses. I usually will turn the sprayer on. Get a nice good clean on it. You'll be able to see the dirty water as you do this. I usually just do it until it's clean. So it's clean. And it's still coming out dirty, so I'm just going to keep doing this until it comes out clean. That's about good. Give it a really good squeeze, get all that water out. Turn this guy off. All right, and then we just dry it out. Make sure that it gets very, very dry. If not, it'll get musty, nasty smelling. Now the big thing is if you plug this back in without all of the filters on it, when this is done cleaning the house, if it's still in its cleaning mode, it's going to come back. It's going to auto vac into the container, but the filter isn't going to be there, so it's going to create a problem. So turn it off. Don't let it run. Don't let it auto vac in, or you're going to have a complete mess on the inside of this. So just a little tip there for you. Anyway, I hope that helps. All I'm going to do is once this dries, I put that flat one down there at the bottom. I'll put the curved sponge filter back in, and then we will be good to go. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Take care.